What we are going to do right now is add advertisements to our website with Google AdSense. So I'm gonna log in on my Google AdSense account. And I will don't save my password, and we're gonna replace that banner right over there. So we go back to Google AdSense and we go to My Ads and we will wait, and then click on Ad Units. We will click on Ad Units and we will click on New Ad Unit and Text Display and Ads, and give it a name or leave it empty. I'm gonna call this Google Ad, and I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna select horizontal banner, and I take this leaderboard right over here. You must pick this one for if you want to let it appear right over there. So okay, that's great. I'm gonna click on save and get code, and you must paste this code right over here. You must select this code and you must paste it in. I'm going to show you that now. Go to your dashboard or click directly on widgets and click on appearance and click on widgets. Okay, so these are our widgets, and right over here is our advertisement. So yeah, this is it. So right over here we're gonna give this a name. I'm gonna call this Google Ad, and I'm gonna paste it right over here. I'm gonna copy this and I will paste it into right over here in your Google Ad. So I'm gonna save it, and when you saved it, we're gonna visit our website, but it don't pops up directly. It can take a few hours before it pops up, so we must wait. So here's our ad, but it's not appearing. That's because Google needs some time before it's appearing on your website. So we will just wait. You must just wait. So be patient, please, and your Google ad will appear after a few hours. So that's great. It also stays there. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my tutorial. So I want to thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you soon.